Say what you're doing.
I'm gonna make the best shot in the world.
Oh, nice. Good.
I did farther than my thing before,
Hold on.
and I got farther than my dad.
Like, you did not get farther than me.
Yes, I did.
Practice.
You landed right there.
Practice our fishing techniques.
Let's
see what he caught. Let's see what he caught.
It's not the infinite fish. We're just practicing.
See what he caught. Bring it in. Let's see. Oh, I think he caught something. Hold on.
It's my bobber.
No, it's not a bobber. It's not a bobber. I think it's something else. See what it is. See what it is. Oh, wait a minute. What is it?
It's your mom.
That's inappropriate. It's inappropriate, but I know you and your little internet friend say that. Oh, it's the infamous landfish from long ago. 60 men are lost at sea, all of them rock except for me. There's our fire too.
Watch me.